actually started out as a project manager building nuclear submarines, which gave me a great experience of what it's like to work with procurement and how important supply chains are to successful delivery. I then actually moved into the procurement function and ended up leading digital procurement transformation for that manufacturer. And it was from there that I decided actually I wanted to move into the Procuretech industry itself. So that's given me a great balance of ex-practitioner experience and now working on the tech side to bring that to life. I think it's a super exciting time for digital procurement because it's a moment where a lot of companies are looking to do business far more responsibly, both from an environmental point of view, but also from a social point of view. And then you're bringing that together with the promise of technology and all of the new advancements, particularly in the AI space. And so actually it's a moment in time where companies can leverage the strength of both to create real change in a way that they haven't before. Also, we're starting to see supply chain and procurement be seen as a competitive advantage rather than just a mechanism of doing business. And so there's a real identity shift happening too.